In the global spotlight today, there's a story of Hamas, an organization deeply intertwined with the Israel Palestine conflict and how it gained worldwide attention. While many non Islamic countries label it as a terrorist or insurgent group, its origin can be traced back to a mission rooted in defending their homeland, protecting their communities, and opposing Israeli occupation. It's a tale of struggle and resistance that has unfolded on the world stage. Hamas is a story intimately woven into the life of Sheikh Ahmad Yassin, born in the year 1936 in the heart of Al Jura village, Palestine. Ahmad's early life was marked by the peaceful landscapes of his homeland. However, the winds of change were swift and brutal. In the aftermath of the 1948 occupation, the Israeli military descended upon Al Jura with a heavy hand, reducing the once thriving village to rubble. It was a devastating chapter in the region's history. Among the victims of this turmoil was young Ahmad Yassin, a mere 12-year-old at that time, forced to uproot his life along with his family, and it was within these challenging circumstances that the seeds of Hamas were sown. It was 1987 and the Palestinian territories were simmering with frustration and resistance against Israeli occupation. This period, known as the First Intifada, was marked by widespread protests. Sheikh Yassin believed in the Palestinian cause and saw this need for a more organized and focused effort to oppose Israeli presence and control. And so, in 1987, he played a pivotal role in founding Hamas, an organization with a clear mission. Hamas, which stands for the Islamic Resistance Movement, aimed to resist Israeli occupation and work towards establishing an independent Palestinian state. With Sheikh Yassin at its helm, Hamas rapidly gained recognition and support from Palestinians who shared the same vision. The founding of Hamas marked a significant turning point in the Israel-Palestine conflict. It would go on to become a major political and militant force, shaping the course of events in the region for years to come. Sheikh Ahmad Yassin's determination and leadership were instrumental in laying the foundation for this organization, forever leaving his mark on the pages of history. In September 2003, an Israeli F-16 strike targeted Yassin in Gaza City, leaving him injured but alive. Tragically, on March 22, 2004, during his morning prayers, an Israeli helicopter strike took the life of Sheikh Ahmad Yassin along with 9 others. Hamas, with its origin rooted in resistance and its evolution into a political entity, remains a significant player in the ongoing conflict. The organization faced its shares of controversies and complexities, reflecting the broader struggle of self-determination and statehood by the Palestinian people. Who is right, who is wrong, we can't say that, but both the parties are fighting for their own rights, for their own cause. As we look at the current context of the Israel-Palestine conflict, it is clear that there are no easy solutions. As the world watches, let us remember that the search for peace in this region is an ongoing endeavor, and the story continues to unfold.
Subscribe to One India channel and never miss an update.